Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and immediately entering recovery so you can act. Make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid shutdown during flashing. Once done, remove SD or SIM to prevent accidental data access. Connect to a PC only if you plan ADB or fastboot commands. Now power off the phone and press power plus volume down or the model-specific combo to open recovery. You should see the recovery menu. If not, try the alternate key timing method once more. You now navigate the recovery menu to repair the system. This is where precision matters. Use volume keys to move and power to select, and choose Wipe Cache Partition first because it clears transient system files without erasing user data. If issues persist, perform a factory reset. It resolves deep corruption but erases apps and settings, so make sure backups exist. For reinstalling firmware, enable ADB sideload or select Apply Update from local storage and load the correct R. You finish by installing firmware and rebooting to confirm success. When sideloading or flashing, only use verified stock files and wait until the tool reports success to avoid bricking. Once complete, select Reboot System Now and follow the initial setup steps, then restore backups and watch for app crashes or repeated reboots. If the device returns to recovery or shows boot loops, try reflashing with the official PC flash tool or advanced fastboot commands. And if that fails, contact Realme support or a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.